Good morning, happy Tuesday. Welcome to the Bubba Show. Hope everybody had a great day off yesterday. If you were off for Martin Luther King Day, markets were closed, but they really weren't closed because the futures markets were open and they were higher. Surprise, surprise, the markets were higher again. But I think today, Tuesday, will go a long way towards telling us where the next big move is going to come in the market. Today starts the big earnings season for real now. Now we had Intel, we had Alcoa, we had some other earnings out, but now we start in earnest because today we start with Google. Tomorrow we have Apple and Netflix. We've got Abbott Labs this week, which is not a big volatile stock, but it is a stock that does go with the market. We've got McDonald's. And at the end of the week we've got Caterpillar. So these are all stocks that are going to indicate, did the market overshoot? Have we rallied too far too fast? Or are we really going to make the next leg up? You know, it always will come back down to, what the charts tell us to do. That's our focus. Out of anything that we do, we always focus on the levels of the charts. We use it as a GPS system to kind of guide us through. But the earnings will give, if they're really bad, it could give the market a jolt, which would then technically help it sell off a little bit. I don't know if that's going to happen. This is not, we don't predict, we react to the market. But these are things to start to look for now. Now we have to find out if we are getting a little bit overextended, if this rally is going too far, and these numbers will tell us. Now one of the advantages that the numbers have is that they're already been downgraded, so what really we're looking at are less than expected earnings, but then you go back to what was the market expectation. Did the market indeed rally into these numbers, expecting them to be good? Now, if you notice at the end of last week, Google sold off a little bit, but it's pretty close to an all-time high. Apple has been in its own personal bear market. Netflix continues to find buyers after its disastrous news. They beat it down last year. It now is back around $100, and they keep finding reasons. Caterpillar has had some big sharp up moves recently, although the charts didn't necessarily warrant it. So we have to really focus on what the charts are going to do once the news starts to hit, because we do look for news to look for levels on our charts. And that's the important thing to understand, is where are we, what are the earnings telling us, and what are the charts telling us? Because obviously, although the markets have rallied, you've got the Dow and S&P at multi-year highs, 6 or 7 year highs. You've got the Russell and the transports at all-time new highs. So again, don't fight the tape, don't fight the trend. The market can be irrational a lot longer than you and I can remain solvent. Bubba's picks, we've got a couple of plays on. We're playing a little bit close to the vest here. We're using some higher delta options to overcome the lack of volatility. So remember, for Tuesday, the Bubba Show, have a great day, and maybe you can check out the call. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great one. Talk to you on Wednesday.